If you installed a fresh copy of Windows 11 a couple of years ago, you had a relatively clean, fast operating system. But if you look at that exact same PC today, it is completely infested. Microsoft has aggressively baked its artificial intelligence into the taskbar, the start menu, the search bar, Edge, and even Notepad. Whether you actually use these tools or not, they are constantly running as background services, actively eating up your RAM, draining your laptop battery, and severely compromising your privacy. But today, we are taking out the trash. I am going to show you how to use a completely free, open-source tool to meticulously rip every single piece of AI bloatware out of your operating system in just a few clicks. Let's get your PC's performance back. Because we are going to be making deep, system-level changes to strip out these forced features, we are not flying blind. We are building a safety net first. Click your Windows search bar and type "Create a Restore Point," then hit Enter. In the System Properties window, click on Configure and make sure Turn on System Protection is checked. Set your max usage slider to at least 10%, hit Apply, and then click the Create button. Give it a name like Pre-AI Purge, and let Windows take a 30-second snapshot of your system. If anything goes wrong, which is incredibly rare, but we don't take risks with your hardware, you can instantly roll your entire PC back to this exact moment. Do not skip this step. Now that we are protected, open your web browser, search for Remove Windows AI GitHub, and click the very first link. We are using this specific script because the repository is 100% publicly available. The code is completely transparent, meaning top-tier security researchers can inspect exactly what it does. It has nothing to hide. Scroll down their page to the How to Use section. You will see a few different methods, but you want to find the Graphical Interface method, UI. This gives you a clean visual menu so you aren't just blindly executing code. Copy the PowerShell command they provide right there on the page. Now, click your Start menu, type PowerShell, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the permission prompt. When the blue PowerShell window opens, simply right-click anywhere inside the window to instantly paste that code you just copied and hit Enter. PowerShell is now securely connecting to GitHub, downloading the script, and launching a clean graphical interface right on your desktop. This interface is your new command center. It gives you a complete checklist of every single AI element currently buried inside your system. If you don't know what a specific option does, just click the little question mark icon next to it for a plain English explanation. Take 2 minutes to read these. It gives you total confidence over what is happening to your machine. For 99% of you watching this, you can just leave the recommended defaults checked. It targets the worst offenders immediately. If you want to reinstall some classic non-AI Windows apps, you can check those boxes at the bottom. Once your hit list is ready, click Apply. The script goes to work instantly, surgically removing the AI bloatware. When the script finishes, it will ask you to reboot. Click Yes. When your PC boots back up, the difference is night and day. The Copilot button is completely gone. The Start menu is stripped of AI suggestions. Your taskbar is finally clean. Look, AI isn't inherently evil. If you genuinely rely on Copilot for your daily workflow, those features have massive value. But if you never touch them, if you are running on older hardware that is struggling to keep up, or if you simply demand a lean, predictable, and private operating system, you shouldn't be forced to host Microsoft's background experiments. I want you to open up your Task Manager right now and compare your idle RAM usage. Drop a comment below and let me know exactly how much memory you just got back after running this purge. And just like that, your operating system is finally clean, private, and free from Microsoft's background AI experiments. But stripping out that bloatware is only half the battle when it comes to getting your PC's raw performance back. Right now, Windows 11 is still hoarding gigabytes of hidden junk files, corrupted cache, and old update data that are actively choking your hard drive and dragging down your speeds. Click the video on your screen right now titled Speed Up Windows 11 Fast by Clearing All Cache. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to safely deep clean those hidden folders and instantly snap your PC's speed back to life in just a few minutes. Click right there, make sure you're subscribed for more Zero BS optimizations, and I'll see you over in that video.